Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing loaded roasted fish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Turn that bell on so that you'll be notified. Let's jump straight into it.
Your bag up, hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl. Yeah, I know you gon' win, shawty. You just gotta play, girl.
So guys, I know that it's been a while since you've seen me in the kitchen. So today we'll be doing some loaded roast fish and we have 3 fish here because I'm doing 3 fish. So first thing we're going to do, well, after cleaning the fish, we're going to wash it with some running water and some vinegar. So you can use lime juice, lime, lemon if you don't want to use the vinegar, and you can use them alongside the vinegar. It depends on how raw the fish is. So look at my fish, they have drained, well, not my fish but the fish, they have drained and the pot dry. So we're just leaving them here for additional draining, and we're going to get the seasoning ready, the powdered seasoning. So here we have onion powder, garlic powder and ginger powder mixed in one. We also have ground black pepper, complete season and all-purpose Maggi. So after combining all, we are then going to set aside. After we have set this aside, we are then going to go to the ground seasoning. So here we have hot pepper, which is scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, thyme, scallion, onion, sweet pepper. We also have some callaloo and carrots, okra, and our fish. So those are all the ground seasoning that we're going to use. Well, I'm not going to use the tomato because I don't normally put tomato in my roast fish. I might add it to a brown stew fish but not a roast fish. So what we're going to do, we are going to blend our green seasoning. So we're going to blend the onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, thyme alongside with some with the scotch bonnet pepper and some pimento. Yes, people, can't blend up without a little pimento them. So look at it, that's what we are doing there, and I did not add anything else to it. So we're just allowing the seasoning to spring its own water for the blending. This is what it looks like after it has completely been blended. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start to season our fish, and this fish has completely been drained. So now we're adding some of the blend up green seasoning to the outer part of the fish. Yes, we're also going to add it to the middle part, but ensure you add it to the outer part also. We're also going to add 2 slices to each of the outer part of the fish, because these fish are big fishes. They are about a pound each, so you want the seasoning to be soaked in. So then we're also going to add some powdered seasoning, the same powdered mix that we mixed before. That's what we're going to add right here. You don't want to add too much because you don't want the fish to be salt. Now we're going to cut some callaloo up to make the stuffing. So we have callaloo, okra, thyme, scallion, hot pepper, and some carrots. So that is what we're going to use to make the stuffing. You can add pumpkin, cabbage, Irish potato, sweet pepper to this. Whatever you want to make your stuffing, you can add. So what I did was melt a piece of butter and then add the vegetable to it. So I'm sauteing the vegetable, adding some of the seasoning that we had mixed, and giving this a stir. We're not going to completely cook it. We're going to cook it to about 70%, and then we're going to remove from the fire, and then we are going to put it to cool a bit, then add it to the fish. So here we have some foil paper, and I'm adding some butter to the foil paper. I'm coating it with butter, and right where we're coating, that's where we're going to lay the fish. So after putting the fish down, right there, you see the cuts on the fish look good and all these things. Yes. Guys, I wish you could smell this right now. Right now. So without any further ado, we are going to begin the stuffing process. So we're going to stuff it with or callaloo mix, callaloo okra mix, and remember that this was pre-cooked well to 70% of the way. The other 30% will be cooked when the fish is completely wrapped and in the oven. So what we're going to do now is finish wrapping the fish and put it in the oven. So this is what the fish look like once it is finished roasting. People may talk about this, I may just eat this and it may mouth water. The fish was so delicious, it was over the moon. We also added some crackers to it. Roast fish and crackers, bad. Here is what it looks like in the middle of it. People, this was everything. This was everything. Remember, if you do try our recipe, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at All Things Anna's. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. This is what the fish look like after I have devoured it. People, nothing now dash for nothing now waste. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Bye.